Hey, it's Garage Door Mike. How you guys doing? I'm going to show you a couple things here today. Two 8x8s. You can talk all you want, I don't care. I won't put your beautiful faces in the video unless you really want to become superstars. I know you are. Mr. X says he's a superstar in his own realm. What? Oh yeah, that's the same guy. Actually, that guy's already famous. He dropped the 2x4 and hit me in the face on the how he changed 700-pound spring video. Anyway, we're gonna show you two 8x8s. These are flush bronze. They match beautifully. And then the real reason I'm making the video is so that someone could drop a 400-pound heater on my head. Now we're going to show you these new jacky shafts here from Liftmaster, the 8900W, or excuse me, this was so new to me, the ddo8900W, whatever that means. Does anyone know what ddo means? Dock door opener. Nice and flush and bronze, beautiful 424-inch panel, CHI door. And then I'm going to take you up here to give you a little sneaker peek here. So this is the new logic board, and you can see there's a lot more spaces for wires. That's for if you want to wire a 3-button, which we didn't. And then it's got an interlock here. And what's that for again?
It's for additional access and to lock the opener out.
To lock, to do what again?
To lock, so someone can come over and hit the button, and interlock is to make sure that it's available to be open and closed.
Yeah, so you just heard it there. So there's that on there, then obviously your photo eyes, and then the cable tension monitor. This does not come with a light, but it's light hookup ready. It does not come with the cheese ball lock that goes in the track, but it could be wired in. And it is battery backup, but it doesn't come with that either. So as far as I'm concerned, I might just start buying this one instead of the other ones, right? Yeah. It would make, I mean, these would go right on the Resi all day. Now the push button, the 3-button they give you is not like the regular commercial 3-button. I'll show you that real quick. All right, that's what comes with it. The 2103. No little cheese or light either, which I hate those things. As soon as we install those, I rip that cord off and throw that thing in the garbage. Thing's freaking ridiculous. And then, was that him?
Oh, I'm closing the door. Shit.
Hey, watch your mouth. This is a clean video here. Need your potty mouth. Wait till the camera's off. Sorry about that, folks. And then here's the push button. And this door here isn't even up all the way. It just barely clears the heater. There's a funky ladder here to go up to the roof. So that's as far as this one's going anyway. And you got to clear this pipe right there by a couple millimeters. So this is a nice squeeze play job right here on this one. And then that right there. I put some foam on there or something for them. And that's it. They're going to trim this off with the nice bronze weather strip, and this will be done. So there it is, the 8900W. What is it again? The ddo8900W, and it also comes, with some chain, so maybe you could like chain up your dog or something when you're on the job. For a company that's trying to save money, they sort of give you a lot of extra parts that you just don't need, but whatever. I mean, that red rope probably, in my opinion, does the same thing, right? Why would you even have that chain on there? It makes no sense to me. It's stupid. So if Liftmaster, you're watching this, save yourself like, 25 cents and just, get rid of this chain. You just don't need it. It's ridiculous. I mean, these ropes here, you can see all the knots I got in there. You could probably make this rope probably like 10, 12 feet long or whatever. I don't know. Anywho, that's it. Yeah. Phone's beeping. Let's see who this is. Alright. I'm going to be bailing out of here. Would you mind hitting that button so we could, I'll watch the door close here for the closing on the video, please? Thank you very much. Private door needs, jack shafts, 8900, 8500 Ws, all that stuff. 630, 271 9343. Commercial doors, residential doors, whatever. Custom installations. Give us a call, 630-271-9343. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for all of my people that watch the channel, comment, like, ask questions. Thank you very much. Without you, it don't happen. Bless you all. Getting cold here by the minute, and we'll see you on the next video. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our video.